Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about a very powerful trading strategy that uses mean reversion and double tops. So if you've ever found yourself chasing a breakout that eventually ends up failing, then this video is for you and it'll help you change the way you see the markets forever. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. So let's start with the basics. A double top is a simple trading pattern, but it is one of the most effective for trading reversals. Here's how it works. The price tests a key level twice, fails to break higher, and then reverses. So this is where mean reversion comes into play. After two failed attempts to move higher, the price eventually reverses and travels back towards the mean. You'll see the price make a high, pull back, and then test that high again. And the key here is that the second test fails to break higher. That's your signal that the market might be ready to reverse. Now here's an example on the NASDAQ. So you can see that the price makes an initial high during the pre-market, pulls back, and then tests that high again just before the opening bell. The second test fails, and that's our cue to look for a short entry. The entry here is the first red candle close after the second failed test. This confirms that sellers are stepping in. Now let's talk about risk management. Your stop loss should be placed at twice the distance from the entry to the high of the double top. This gives the trade room to breathe, and this is crucial in mean reversion strategies because price often tests the failed breakout again before reversing. And once you're in the trade, your take profit should be set at twice the level of your stop loss. So this gives you a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is a solid benchmark for any trading strategy. And in this example, the market opened and the price quickly moved down to hit our target. Now this looks like an easy strategy, and it can be, but the trade will not work out each and every time. So let's look at another example on the USD JPY at a double top that failed. So here's the USD JPY on a 5-minute chart. The price tests a key level twice after the London Open, and we enter on the first red candle close after the second failed test. Our stop is placed at twice the distance from the entry to the high, and our target is double that. In this case, the trade didn't work out. So the price reversed and stopped us out later in the day. I just want to quickly dive into the psychology of trading here too, because it's a very, very important part of trading. Trading double tops and mean reversion require patience and discipline. You're essentially betting against the trend, which can feel counterintuitive. That's why it's so important to have a clear plan in place before you get into the trade. You may also want to ask yourself, is this a double top forming? Or is this market consolidation? Are there extra filters you can use, like volume or momentum indicators, to confirm the reversal? And most importantly, am I emotionally prepared to take the loss if the trade doesn't work out? So to wrap it up, here's just a summary of what we've discussed in this video. Number 1, identify the double top. 2, failed tests of a key level. Number 2, enter on the first red candle after the second failed test. Number 3, place your stop at twice the distance from entry to the high. Number 4, set your target at twice the distance of your stop for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and then stick to your plan whether the trade works out or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.